So you've passed the AFM exam and you're looking to the next level, the Chartered Financial Modeler or CFM accreditation. Or maybe you're just curious to know about the second level. So what exactly is the CFM all about? Well, the AFM exam tests your ability to build an integrated three-statement model of a company from scratch. The CFM exam goes deeper and is all about complex problem solving in financial modeling. As per the CFM body of knowledge document, there are 12 major topics that we cover, and they cover things like revenues, working capital, debt, and even model checking. During the CFM exam, you will be given a few case studies, and you will need to choose 2 or 3 and build modeling solutions for those during the exam. For example, on the CFM exam, we might give you a case study with a lot of information about a company's capital structure, and you will need to build a detailed, flexible debt schedule that properly captures all of the requirements in the case. It will be a much more complex debt schedule than the one that was required on the AFM exam. Like the AFM exam, the CFM exam is also proctored and written online in 4 hours, which is not a lot of time, and you will have no access to external resources. The CFM exam requires mastery over the content in order to attain the accreditation. The CFM exam is quite challenging, and the historical pass rate has usually been around 40 to 50%. Most candidates will spend 50 to 100 hours preparing for this CFM exam, but again, this depends on prior levels of knowledge and modeling experience. To help you prepare for the CFM exam, we have released all of the past exam questions along with the answers. We will also be releasing video tutorials this year of past questions, which should also help you in your preparations. So why would you pursue the CFM accreditation? Well, for many people, the AFM accreditation is sufficient to prove that you have strong modeling skills. However, one reason to pursue the CFM is because you want to demonstrate truly exceptional proficiency in financial modeling. The CFM designation is for people for whom modeling is central to what you do every day, or maybe because you manage teams of financial modelers and you want to demonstrate an even higher level of skill. Of course, there are also people who just like the challenge of taking a tough exam so that they can stand out. If you want to be recognized as a truly elite financial modeler, the CFM accreditation is for you.